Here's how to grow on Instagram faster in 2026. The first step is to choose your niche and optimize your profile. Before you start posting, decide what type of content you want to create. Avoid posting random videos. Instead, focus on one specific category that you're interested in and can constantly create content about. After choosing your niche, optimize your Instagram profile. Start by choosing a simple and searchable username that relates to your content. Then upload a clear profile picture where your face is easy to recognize. Next, update your bio. Write a short description explaining what your account is about and how you can help your audience. If you have a website, YouTube channel, or any other important link, add it to your profile using the links option. Once your profile is ready, switch your account to a professional account. Open your profile, tap on the three lines, then go to account type. Now select switch to professional account. Choose creator and complete the setup process. Next step is the competition research. Find 5 to 10 successful creators in your niche and follow them. Study their most popular videos and pay attention to how they begin their videos, how they present the content, and how they edit their reels. Write down the topic from their best performing content. This will help you build a list of content idea for future posts. Instead of creating videos one at a time, plan several videos in advance. Record multiple videos in one session and edit them throughout the week so you can always have content ready to post. Finally, you want to use the 3-second rule. The beginning of your reel is the most important part. Your goal is to grab the viewer's attention within the first 3 seconds. Start your videos with an interesting statement, question, or visual that encourages people to keep watching. The longer viewers stay on your reel, the better your chances of reaching more people. Next, you want to post constantly. Try to upload at least one reel every day and choose a fixed posting time so your audience knows when to expect new content. By consistently following these steps, optimizing your profile, researching successful creators, and posting engaging content, you will be able to grow on Instagram. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.